What's up, everybody? This is OG Soul Train, coming out of Baltimore, Maryland. My man John from John's Restoration brought the theory back. It's totally different. John did his thing. John's Restoration, y'all. Virginia Beach. Get with him. Virginia Beach, Virginia. He did the theory. She's just all the way sexy. This is beautiful.
Tell them what it looked like before I picked it up.
It was white, plain white, you know, all the way white. Navy blue interior, you know, stock look, had a little pearl in it. Nah, she's totally different now, baby. This is my 85 Caprice, it's a Lowrider. Landau edition. John and his crew did their thing. They did their thing. Okay, beautiful. I ain't never been more happy. Trying to say. John did his thing.
Yo, we definitely appreciate you, man. Definitely.
John, I appreciate you.
It's your man, Big John Restoration. We in Baltimore, Maryland right now. Just dropped the 85 Lowrider off. Y'all see it. Teal with a gold pearl with gold and silver ice pearl in it. Then it's got them ghost in graphics on part of the roof and the sail panel. Thanks to Mana Street Dreams. My man Felix hooked up the interior for me. Y'all see it. Another one coming out of John's Restoration. Another out-of-town vehicle. Another out-of-town vehicle. Another very satisfied customer. Shout out to my airbrush artist Chad for laying down the 7-day theory on the back. John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia.